You have already learned how to boost production in the towns. But in towns like your hometown, which you manage yourself, you also have control over the living conditions and can also optimize the production of your businesses. Open the construction menu. Directly in the first category, you will find all buildings that do not produce commodities. They create living space, increase the satisfaction of the inhabitants, or attract more workers to the town. Move the cursor over the buildings and see the information about them. As you can see, many buildings have positive effects on other buildings or even the whole town. The most important building, besides the businesses, is of course the residential area. Select it because you should build one. A residential area can accommodate a lot of people. If you look at the possible building sites for residential areas in Port Royale, you will see this coloring means that the advantages outweigh the disadvantages. Move the cursor over one of these fields, but nobody likes to live near cultivation or mining companies. Find a good place for a residential area and commission it. The situation is different with handicraft businesses. Here, residential areas have a positive effect because the workers have a short way to work. But also companies that supply the right raw material for the craft have a positive effect. Choose the brewery for once. The most productive building sites for a brewery are located near residential areas and grain farms, because the workers now build a brewery. Very good. By the way, if a crafting business needs more than one resource, it will receive an additional, and another building has a positive effect on production. The tool maker. Select it. With the toolmaker, you can make nearby mining operations like the coal mine more efficient. I think you've understood the principle. Just always take a close look at the advantages and disadvantages of such a building site. And as always, one last thing. For many handicraft...